Hey, welcome to this week's weekly wrap up. We are 1 week, less than 1 week. We are 1 month away from Christmas, less than 1 month.
Gosh.
So,
Wow.
yeah, are you guys ready? Christmas shopping?
Yeah, no. Well, if you are Christmas shopping, everyone, then there is an incredible Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal. I don't know where we are. We've been up for the last 3 days, 4 days straight almost. So we're a little bit fried. But we've had a fantastic response to everyone getting some incredible bargains. I think we can pop it up on show, can't we, Lucy?
We can, definitely. So this is
we go.
our last hours, 16 hours of our Cyber Monday to go. So if you want to be with me forever and ever and ever, $6,900 will get you there. Ultimate monthly package, $269. So that has both the bots and that's what you want to be doing, because you want to be living your life and having the trades placed for you and just, going in there and managing them when you want to do that. So yeah, that's the easy options. And then we've got everything else, so many packages now. So
yeah, well, to make it easier, you've essentially got your monthly packages and your longer duration packages, so 3 months, 6 months, or a year.
So
and with that, with the two main deals here that we've got are, up until the end of Cyber Monday, you can get 25% off the first month of your monthly package, or 10% off the first payment of your longer duration package. And the second deal, as you can see at the top of the screen there, is that you're locking in your subscription. So even existing members, if you're listening in, if you have your subscription already, don't worry about buying another one just because it's Black Friday, Cyber Monday. You are locked in. Essentially, everyone who subscribes before January the 1st will be locked in at the price they subscribe for until they unsubscribe, which hopefully they won't.
They won't unsubscribe. We're going into a bull market. They're going to want to be with us.
Yeah, so absolutely. In fact, on that note, there are so many members I've been seeing coming back who were with us in the last bull run over the last few months. They all must know something.
They must know something. But the thing is, it can be quite overwhelming because we're called Getting Started in Crypto, but we do have, I think, probably the most signals going out of any group. We've got a strategy that you can jump into every single signal if you want to, or pick and choose. So, and just keep that money moving in the market. And so there's always something to be in, always something in the buy zone. We ensure that. And you can tell by our track record, our signals are good.
Absolutely. So join in if you haven't already, and if you have and you're with us right now, hello to Getting Started in Crypto members. This is going out worldwide at the moment, but we will do all the goody important bits for you guys exclusively in a minute. First of all, though, we like to share with the world what we think is what Lisa thinks is happening with Bitcoin.
So let's jump straight into that. So it's looking a bit ugly at the moment, but when we put a channel on that, it doesn't look so ugly. It's sort of, this is a face only a mother could love.
Maybe it's a full moon tonight, Lucy. Is that anything to do with it?
Well, hopefully. So we've got a lot of futures releasing this week. So hopefully they don't get rolled over till the end of the year. But a lot of futures happening. So this is beautiful, this channel. So if we do get a dip here, 36, sort of 300-ish, around about there. We don't want it to break down past the channel. But if it does, we've got a couple of levels down lower. I really think this is building up to be a short squeeze in this region. We're seeing shorts build up and build up and build up and build up. The more sideways we go, we're seeing the open interest build up on those shorts. So for me, this is the perfect opportunity to take a long and literally bear tears happening. So, and they're my favorite thing. So hopefully we don't get any bull tears, but bear tears. So let's grab my mug. There we go. Salty and sweet. Product of shorting crypto. Hang on. How do I do this? There we go. Trying to get the cup in. It's like,
wow. Okay then.
Yeah, so that's essentially Bitcoin. So when we pull it back, we're going to have a look at the Wyckoff accumulation chart. We can see that we've got quite a nice pattern forming coming up, and we've still got heaps of room. This has got still heaps of room to move up. We do have that support sitting at about 35 on this lower sort of support if you draw the channel slightly different. So that may be a wick down to that region, but to me, this still looks super bullish. The RSI has been cooling down. It can sit very high for a prolonged period. So if we zoom into this that's the MACD, we don't want to have a look at that one. We zoom into the RSI and open that. Oh, it just disappears. Okay, that wasn't the game. There we go. So if we go back through this RSI, we can see that we can sit quite comfortably up high. So especially around, this is 2020, we sat in that region for like almost, so October 20 right through to March 21. So that's quite a long period we were sitting in that oversold region on the RSI. That can happen again. I don't expect that we're going to get a major correction until, sort of maybe February, March next year, and then continuation because we then have halving happening. So I'm not even sure we're going to get that big drastic pullback that we have seen in the past, but it's not impossible. We didn't think we were going to see FTX. We did. And but I don't think Capo is going to get his 12 grand. I don't think that is happening at all whatsoever. So I do think this looks really poised to continue and to keep moving. Obviously we're settling out the shorts in this region, and we're chopping up the over leveraged traders. So there's a lot of liquidations happening in this region because it's a very, very choppy region. So if you are in a margin leverage, this is where your money gets chopped up. You want to be in spot, in my opinion. And I think spot is definitely where it's at until we're confirmed that we're in, a bull market. And then you can take a low level leverage position and let that ride up and just keep that stop loss moving. But while we're in this, I don't think, unless you're super experienced, you're just going to get chopped up.
Okay, and that's Bitcoin for you. Anything else you want to share with the world?
No, I think that's probably about it. DXY is still looking very bearish, which is lovely for crypto. So we want that to come back down and retest. I've got my hammer happening. So, we want this to retest down on this breakout region around about 101, maybe 102. For the DXY. So it's a slow moving thing. It's just going to take forever and ever. Might move like a couple of cents tomorrow, a couple of cents the next day. So normally doesn't move huge margins. So and what's happening with the total 2 with the alts. Now this is looking really poised and really nice to take off. So at the moment we've had 1 retest. 2 retests of the breakout zone on the total 2. So this is the alts without Bitcoin. So we've got a little bit of sideways clearing that sort of region. We've got quite a few alts that are sort of in correction or clearing regions at the moment before they can break through to the next zone. So this is what's happening here on this chart. But it's looking poised to take off. It's looking really good. And when we're looking at total crypto market cap, we're at a resistance. So again, like BTC is at a resistance, we may get a little bit of a pullback like we might see on BTC as well before we do head up, but it's looking good as well. It's been following this channel and we're just sitting at the top. So that just means that we're clearing, the people that are taking their profits off the table, that sort of thing. The people that are building their shorts are all in this region. And that's essentially what's happening at the moment. So we just want that to sort of go sideways, shoot up. So, yeah, but be extra careful if you are in leveraged trades, because literally this is where you're going to chew your money up.
Good stuff. Okay, we're getting a lot of love from YouTube. Shauno here. Always love your posts and videos, Lisa and Josh. Just can't afford it right now, even with sales. Oh no, the irony, because if you get in there, I'm sure we could help you make lots more. Maybe we'll see what we can do there. Also,
we do have some really super cool competitions and prize giveaways coming up towards Christmas. So make sure everyone is watching out on my Twitter and on my socials for those, because, you know, every year we have some giveaways, and yeah, this year is no different.
And again, from Nana here, your post serves as an inspiration to many. Keep up the good work, man. So
thank you.
Yeah, very sweet. Okay, right. Well, we are going to go into getting started in crypto now. And if you guys in the group are listening in, please drop your charts in the chat now, or any questions you've got. We'll come to those in a minute. Anything else from you, Lise, for the world? Or
no, just have a great week, guys. Keep those stop losses in place just in case Bitcoin decides to do something crazy, and keep taking the profit, keep profit rolling it back in lower, profit rolling it back in lower. And that's how you're going to keep making that money, and keep it working for you as it goes.
Excellent. Okay, let's say goodbye to X then. Off we go from there, and also